Alright, in this section we're going to be finding trig ratios for right triangles, and the ratios today are sine, cosine, and tangent. So if you have a right triangle, and you want to find sine, let's use angle A. So sine of A is going to be your opposite side from A, so over here, over your hypotenuse. And your hypotenuse is out here. So whatever those numbers are, let's say the opposite side was 4 and your hypotenuse was 7. So your opposite over hypotenuse would be a fraction, 4 over 7. So if you're looking for the cosine, we'll stick with angle A for now. So cosine of angle A is going to be your adjacent side, so the side right next to it, over your hypotenuse. So this side right here is adjacent to angle A. So let's say the adjacent side was 5. So in this case, the cosine of angle A is going to be adjacent over hypotenuse, or 5 over 7. And then your tangent ratio, tangent of A, is going to be your opposite over adjacent sides. So in this case, from angle A, the opposite is 4, opposite side rather, and the adjacent side is 5, so your ratio is 4 over 5. There's a mnemonic, I'm sure some of you have heard. It's so toa, and the S stands for sine, O is opposite, and H is hypotenuse. So those are the sides, opposite over hypotenuse, just like here. And Ka here is C for cosine, A for adjacent, and H for hypotenuse. And cosine of an angle is adjacent over hypotenuse. And then tangent is opposite over adjacent. And again, the mnemonic is so katoa. So hopefully that helps you remember. Remember that trig ratios can be used to help find angle measures. So if you're in your calculator and you want to find the measure of angle A, and you use the tangent ratio, okay, you're going to use this button on your calculator, tangent -1 here, and that will crunch out a degree for you. You got to make sure your calculator is in degree mode and not radian mode. So if you put tangent -1, it'll probably give you parentheses, and you just put in your ratio, and then you hit enter, and it'll give you your degree ratio, or your degree. You could also use sine or cosine if you knew what those ratios were. But to get your degree measure, you're going to use this -1. Technically, it's the inverse of tangent button. And that's all.